अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टेम इंटरनेशनल पब्लिशर्स। दिस इज तैयबा शकील। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 9 अर्थ इन अ सोलर सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। तो अपनी किताबें खोलिए, हम चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज की तरफ। एक्सरसाइज, सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट, ग्रेविटी कॉजेज द अर्थ टू ऑर्बिट अराउंड। ऑप्शन ए द सन, ऑप्शन बी द मून, ऑप्शन सी जुपिटर, ऑप्शन डी वीनस। एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज ए द सन। Second, which planet of the solar system does not have any moon? Option A Jupiter, option B Venus, option C Mars, option D plastic. And the right option is B Venus. Third, the moon revolves around the earth in option A 25 days, option B 26.5 days, option C 27.3 days, option D 29 days. And the right option is C 27.3 days. Fourth, after full moon, we see less and less of the moon light by the sun. This is called option A waning, option B waxing, option C pacing, option D illuminating. And the right option is A waning. Fifth, Earth completes its one rotation in option A 24 hours, option B 26 hours, option C 28 hours, and option D 30 hours. And the right option is 24 hours. Fill in the blanks. First, the sun is a huge hot ball of gases. Second, the earth is only known planet to contain life. Third, a planet is a large ball of rock or gas that revolve around the sun. Fourth, an axis is an imaginary line that runs through Earth's center. Fifth, a lunar eclipse is an eclipse of the moon where the sun, earth and the moon are in line and earth is in the middle. Answer the questions in short. Question number 1. What is a planet? And the answer is, a planet is a large ball of rock or gas that revolves around the sun. Question number 2. What are inner planets made of? And the answer is, the inner planets are made up of mostly rocks. Question number 3. What is a planetary system? And the answer is, a planetary system is a system that contains all planets. 4. Does the sun actually travel across the sky? And the answer is, no, it does not. However, the spinning of earth causes the apparent movement of the sun. Define solar eclipse. And the answer is, a solar eclipse is an eclipse of the sun in which the sun cannot be seen either partially or completely from the earth. Answer the questions in detail. Question number 1. Describe the phases of the moon. And the answer is, the changing phases of the moon that we can see from the earth are called the phases of the moon. As the moon orbits the earth, the part of the moon is lit up by the sun while the other part is in the darkness. The moon appears to change shape because the part of the moon light up by the sun changes as the moon orbits the earth. When the whole side of the moon seen from the earth is light up, we see a full round moon. After the full moon, we see less and less of the moon lit by the sun. The moon appears to be getting smaller. This is called waning. During its orbit around the earth, the moon reaches a point where sunlight does not illuminating the part facing earth. The illuminated side is facing away from the earth. This phase is called the new moon. As the new moon continues to orbit, more and more of it is visible. It keeps getting bigger in size and it is said to be waxing. Question number 2. How do day and night occur? When earth rotates, the part of the earth is facing the sun. This part of the earth is lit up and experiences daytime. At the same time, the opposite side of the earth is facing away from the sun. This part of the earth is in darkness and it is night time. It takes the earth 24 hours to complete one rotation. The repeating rotation of earth is why we experience the daily pattern of day and night. Question number 3. Describe lunar eclipse with the help of diagram. And the answer is, lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse is an eclipse of the moon where the sun, Earth and the moon are in line and the earth is in the middle. Earth blocks the sunlight from the falling on the moon. The moon is then in earth's shadow and cannot be seen from the earth. तो बच्चों ये रही इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज। आपने इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज बार बार प्रैक्टिस करनी है ताकि इस चैप्टर के कॉन्सेप्ट आपको अच्छे से याद रहें। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज।